Oh, I'm going to show you some beautiful new fabrics this morning, and it's really exciting to get these beautiful fabrics. This is actually Missoni. Yes, the designer Missoni. This is a mohair blend. It's beautiful, lightweight knit. It has stretch in both directions. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. Your colors in there. You got a gray base and then a light blue, light pink, a cream, and those colors just repeat themselves, but your colors are light gray, light blue, light pink, kind of a milk color. Very pretty color, very great drape. I mean, that's kind of what Missoni's known for, is his, the reason he uses mohair is it's light, but it has great drape to it. This is a Christian Dior, and this is a cotton wool. So this is for a great pair of yoga pants, like a soft stream yoga pant, where you really want just a nicer fabric, a nicer grade of fabric. It's beautiful. Obviously the soft sweatshirt kind of fabric on the inside. It doesn't have a lot of stretch to it. It has stretch in both directions, but it's a real slight stretch. But it'd just be great for a little workout suit that you wore around the house, but you wanted to upscale a little bit. That's Christian Dior. And then we have a viscose. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. I put it in because it looks great with this. It blends. The colors work really well. And to a little shirt to go along. Again, viscose has stretch in both directions. This is a viscose, also 100%. It's a stretch woven, but it has stretch in both directions. We just have a small amount, beautiful color, but it just blends with all of these colors beautifully. Then this is also a Christian Dior, and this is 100% cotton. It's a textured charcoal. Very pretty, very in for right now. It has stretch in one direction, but a beautiful, just anything, just a lightweight knit top, just about anything. Then this is a designer in Paris, Gala. Galla is the name. It's a family company. This is a double-faced wool stripe. Double-faced, so you can see it's navy on the backside. Isn't it beautiful? It's just beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. More stretch in one direction than the other. The colors in this are, you've got a gray, sorry, move that tag out of the way. You've got a charcoal, and then a blue. You got red, charcoal. So your colors, there looks like there's almost a little bit of brownish tone in there, but it's just pretty. So it's a double-faced wool knit. You could do all kinds of, that reversible jacket would be perfect. That new 824 would be just wonderful in this. The goal is to have happy sewing, and I know you will. Happy sewing with Silhouette Patterns.